natural, careful, thoughtful. These are Panasonic values, cultivated over more than 100 years in Japan. We grew up in Japan, and we're all about the well-being of the people who use our products everywhere. With integrity, in harmony, dedicated and sincere. Quietly reliable. Connected. Craftsmanship that resonates with Japanese culture. Perhaps no one will notice. Maybe we don't need to go this far. But we're focused on making things just right. We're paying attention to you and working each day to create unique value, to make tomorrow brighter, to deliver well-being.